Hello, hi everyone. So these are the grow areas at our organic terrace garden, vegetable garden. It is. So we have cleared everything. Lot of grown, harvested plants from our grow area. So this is the one. So these are the loft tanks, which you can even order online. So these are the grow areas. So when we started it, we did a mix of coco peat and organic home kitchen wet waste compost and soil in it. So we added a lot of vermicompost also to that, and a lot of green and uh, wet and dry matter to it. So now it's all about how we are planning to repot this particular grow area. So we have a lot of wet waste and the a lot of twigs and stems from our garden already, which we have put it, and we would be digging some area over here a little bit. So then we would be adding the wet waste from our kitchen wet waste and a mix of dry and wet waste compost, and even the twigs and stems from our the pruned twigs and stems from our garden, which are the garden waste, to this grow area. So this is what we do. So you can follow the same for your container gardening, and for the flowering or vegetable and fruit gardening. So with the pots, so you just have to dig it out and take out the mud as much as possible from the middle part, and just add lot of dry and wet waste to that. And if you have vermicompost, it would be very preferable. So you can add vermicompost also to it.
I have not even used the dig.
So dig as much as possible. So we have added a lot of wet waste. These are the kitchen wet waste, and a lot of food remaining also. And since we have already added vermicompost when we started this grow area, so this acts like a dry matter. So we have covered everything with the dry matter. So lot of earthworms are already seen here in the grow area, in these containers. And that's the purple Malabar spinach, and that's the green one. So we have covered everything with the mud. Mud is a combination of everything here. Soil. So it's a combination of vermicompost, coco peat, home wet waste compost, and everything. So we have covered it with that. So now everything will be taken care of by the microorganisms present inside here, in the soil and in the wet waste. And so that's all it is. That's how it is. So we would be also sowing seeds over here. So we are planning to sow um, ridge gourds and lady's finger here, because that's the season now. So we are planning to do that. So start composting, start gardening. Thank you for watching.